YouTube, how you doing? Hope everyone is fine. From a long time I was thinking to make a swing for my Sheroo. So today I found something which I think will be suitable for a swing. It's only to make it indoors. Look what I found. This. And what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna remove this and I'm gonna put a small cushion in it. It's ready for a swing. But the person who's gonna fix it for me doesn't want to be on YouTube, so I think I'm gonna fix it and then I'll show you Sheroo's reaction. So see you soon. He's out. Okay, not happy yet. You don't like it, Sheroo? No? I've just discovered Sheroo was trying to catch our bird. Let's see what Sheroo is doing now. And the bird is not frightened. Look at the bird. He's trying his best. Sheroo, what are you doing? What are you up to, baby? Sheroo is trying his best. And the bird is so relaxed. Bird is not worried about anything. See? Bird is just relaxed. They both are clever. They both are clever. Watch out, Sheroo. You got water on your left hand side. Don't get dropped in the water, in the sea. Come on, baby. Come on, Sheroo. Come on, baby. Come on, Sheroo. Yay, Sheroo is out. Right, time to wrap up today's vlog. I hope you liked it. If you have any ideas or opinion about the swing I made, please do let me know. Leave your comments if I can improve it for Sheroo's safety. And do subscribe me. And I hope to see you soon again. Keep watching. Take care. Bye for now.